pulling water today, where I'm pulling water from, and came across this. It says this ranch has been registered in the Texas Family Land Heritage Program, and saying it's been owned by the same family for more than 100 years. So I thought that was kind of cool. Don't know how continuous they work it, but it's definitely been here a while. A little bit more to it. Old farm equipment sitting over here. Like some kind of old horse-drawn plow, it looks like. Not quite a moldboard plow, but kind of looks like it. I'm not sure what kind of tractor this is over here. Probably some old McCormick. Once in a while you come across some pretty interesting stuff. Oh yeah, it's an old International. Who knows how long this machine's even been sitting here. Torque amplifier, huh? Little skinny tires to steer with. Wouldn't do so good in sand. Anyway, I thought that was pretty neat. Thought I'd give you all a little peek at it. But I'm going to go back and water our new location.